Hey guys, Skyler here, and we are going to the movies to see Avengers Endgame. This is going to be really amazing. So, we're going to watch this film and then we'll give you guys a movie review of it. Let's go! Welcome everyone, the official Skyler TubeHD movie review of Avengers Endgame. Marvel Avengers Endgame was 11 years in the making and is the 22nd movie over the 11-year MCU franchise span, which started off with Iron Man back in 2008, a movie that still holds up today. Let me just start by saying that Marvel Studios did an incredible job weaving together the previous 21 movies in a way I never thought possible. In all reality, this movie should not work as well as it does, but Marvel pulled off the impossible. Audiences have had a year to mourn the loss of Spider-Man, Star-Lord, Groot, the Wasp, Doctor Strange, and Nick Fury. Maybe all those characters weren't really dead. Maybe the remaining Avengers would just need to resort to desperate measures to undo the damage caused by Thanos. The element of surprise and the thrill of discovery are everything in these movies. This movie is no different. In fact, Avengers Endgame is the most expensive film yet, and it works well to provide emotional hope for several of fans' favorite characters. Endgame shifts the focus from extravagant special effects to the more human cost of heroism, which comes at great personal sacrifice. Avengers Endgame is the ultimate fan service follow-up. Endgame does such an amazing job in weaving together all the relationships established in the previous films that it all but demands that audiences put in the homework of watching or re-watching the earlier MCU movies to appreciate the sense of closure it offers the series' most popular characters. Avengers Endgame serves a culmination of the previous 21 MCU films and brings this final chapter to an exciting and extremely well-written conclusion film that will satisfy everyone from the most loyal MCU fan to the curious franchise novice. The film was masterfully edited and masterfully filmed. You would think that a movie with so many acting angles as well as the powerful superhero characters would be too much to fit in one movie. But the Russell brothers did an amazing job balancing all of this, and every character gets a moment, both emotionally and action-wise. Without giving away any spoilers, I can that 3 of the best MCU action series happen in this movie. It has it all. Avengers Endgame will make you laugh, it will have you cry, and it will have you on the edge of your seat. Avengers Endgame is a rewarding experience that pays off for all the loyal MCU fans who have spent so much time and money on these films, as well as developing an emotional attachment to certain or even most of those greatly developed characters. As for all you comers who haven't seen any of the MCU movies but can't escape the well-deserved hype behind Avengers Endgame, if you only had time to watch one MCU movie going in, of course you need to watch Avengers Infinity War. But if you have time for a few more start with the Avengers Age of Ultron, Captain America, Civil War, Guardians of the Galaxy, and Ant-Man. Being a huge fan of Chris Nolan's Dark Knight trilogy, I can safely say Avengers Endgame is one of the top 3 superhero movies of all time. In all, I give Avengers Endgame 5 stars out of a possible 5. It was much, much better than I have hoped for, and it was a beautiful climax to such an amazing MCU franchise. We just got out of the theater, and Avengers Endgame was super awesome. Anyway, so that was our movie review of Avengers Endgame. It was super amazing. Stay tuned for our next movie review, Toy Story 4. And as always, thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please be sure to check out my Disney vacation videos, including my Disney Cruise Star Wars Stay at Sea videos and my Disney Alani videos where we went on a tour of the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World film sites, as well as my recent sneaking Disney areas, including sneaking into the old abandoned Imageworks and sneaking into the old abandoned Sum of All Thrills, and also my sneaking into abandoned Epcot attractions video. Also, don't forget to check out my Toy Story Land videos, my Slinky Dog Dash roller coaster full ride experiences, and other fun Toy Story Land experiences. The all-new Star Wars Galaxy's Edge rides, meet and greets, and all things Star Wars. Actual construction of the Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster ride, an exclusive Disney Vacation Club behind-the-scenes tour of Soarin', as well as the coolest and most in-depth Disney Vacation vlogs you'll ever see, which includes actual on-ride experiences, meet and greets, and other surprises. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun Disney and Universal Studios videos, ride experiences, and more fun movie reviews and audience reaction. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.